Hi viewers, welcome to Kitchen Chettinad. Subscribe the channel and press the bell button for notification. Today we are going to see how to prepare Chettinad special vegetable biryani. Soak 2 cups of basmati rice in water 20 minutes before start of the dish. I have already soaked. And this plate consists of things to grind in mixie. Half cup grated coconut, 5 green chilies, 4 full cashews, 1 finger sized ginger cut like this after peeling the skin, 8 garlics, poppy seeds half spoon, 1 and half spoon anise, and little coriander leaves cut like this. Grind everything in mixie and keep it aside. Then vegetables, 8 to 10 beans cut like this, 2 carrots, take the skin and cut, peas soaked 8 hours before, little, and 1 potato cut like this and put in water, 2 tomatoes, 1 big onion, little coriander leaves cut like this, and curry leaves. Then things to put in oil. See, these are the things: 4 cashews broken like this, 1 cinnamon, 1 leaf biryani leaf, 4 cloves, 3 cardamom, and little anise. See, keep the cooker, half server ghee, the server which I have in hand, 1 server oil. So put one by one what we have to put in oil. That is cinnamon, brinji leaf, that is biryani leaf, cloves, cardamom, anise, at last cashews, one by one everything. So after putting, salt it, and then onions, curry leaves, salt it well. When the onions become little brownish, you can add the vegetables. This is a very tastier dish. Put the peas, beans, carrot, potato. If you have soya beans and butter beans, you can add that also. Then tomatoes. 2 tomatoes I have cut like this. Saute it well for 1 to 2 minutes. Smash the tomatoes and saute well. Put little salt needed for vegetables alone. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Put the rice. Basmati rice is fat free, so you can take this without any hesitation. Mix well. Then the grinded one which we have in mixie, that is we grinded coconut, cashews, chilies, anise, papi, etc. No, that one you put inside. Little water in mixie you can put and don't waste it. And add half cup of curd. Then 4 cups of water, because we have taken 2 cups of basmati. I measured rice only in this cup. So in the same cup I am measuring water. 2 cups rice, 4 cups water. 1:2 ratio. So after pouring 4 cups of water, stir everything together. Put the coriander leaves, fine cut coriander leaves. The remaining needed salt, because first we have put salt for only vegetables. The excess salt needed we are putting now. Then stir well, close the cooker, put the weight and leave it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, see how delicious biryani has come. See, leave the server at the corners and take it upside top to bottom. Don't break the rice, do it slowly. See, it has not gone to bottom because correct amount of oil and water we have put. It will be a very tasty biryani with side dish raita. Try it once, like, share and subscribe.